Hello again, it's Eddie at Alfaman on the continuation of this 2.2 petrol engine from an Alfa Brera, Spider or a 159. We've assembled the bottom end and I'm just about to put the pistons in, and we've got the crankshaft moving really beautifully smoothly with this on. Torqued all these bolts up. They all have to be torqued up properly, and very soon I'm going to get the pistons in, but I'm doing this engine as a part-time job because I keep on getting pulled away and the phone doesn't stop ringing. So once I've got the pistons in, I will then straight put the sump on, and then we can turn the engine around, and then I've still got to put the head on, the cams on, the variators on, new chain kit in, and I still haven't received my new water pump, so I'll be getting that soon, and then I can finish this engine off. If you look up on another spot on my channel, I can show you a second-hand engine that's in really beautiful condition. What we've done is we've stripped it down to see what it's like, and it's just really good. We tested the engine before we pulled it from the car, but it doesn't take me very long to pull the front chest off and check the engine out. So I'll stop here now and we'll continue this engine, and then I'll start a new chapter or a new video on the second-hand engine that I've got here. Thank you.